Hello guys, welcome back in another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to install this headlight grill, which it fit also on the Transalp 600. 600 I consider is slightly different, but the system to install it is pretty the same. So the first step to do it is to put the lip, this one, inside here. The second one is to twist the plate like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna show you the third one. Basically you're gonna put the small plate inside there, the edge of the fairing, and then you just tighten it up, not too much, and then you push with the finger the headlight inside. Then you are ready to go. Done.